Hello everyone. Do you want to learn English from zero? But you feel shy, confused, or scared to speak? Don't worry. In this video, I'll teach you English for beginners, step by step, very easy, very simple. Let's start. Whether at the office, the workplace, or anywhere else, starting a conversation with someone, familiar or a stranger, always begins with a warm greeting. However, in English, these greetings follow a specific set of customs. Let's explore how to master these initial interactions. Today, we are focusing on how to greet someone you are meeting for the very first time. Hi, my name is Susanna.
It's nice to meet you. Or, you can say, it's a pleasure to meet you, I'm Richard.
What do you do for a living?
I work at a restaurant. Or, I work at a bank/grocery shop. Or, I am a banker/carpenter/nurse, doctor/advocate, etc. Or, I work in a software company, my name is Richard.
However, if the other person doesn't introduce themselves, you may ask for their name, just ensure you do it politely. What is your name, please? Or, your name, please. Or, may I know your name?
It's Richard.
What was that, again? Or, excuse me? What's that? Or, pardon me, repeat, please?
It's Richard.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Your country is beautiful.
Yes, it is. Have you ever visited?
No, not yet. But I have a plan to visit.
That's good, best wishes to you. By the way, where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. Where are you going?
I am going to New York. And what about you?
I am going to Bangkok.
Is it a business tour or just traveling?
It is a business trip, gentlemen.
Wish your success. Our bus has arrived. It is time to say goodbye.
Have a good day.
Same to you.